7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey lads, welcome back to Bama Cafe. So today, y'all, we have a haul, but it's not like, forget the back of the counter. I just came back from grocery shopping. Yeah, okay. So yeah, so I just came back from grocery shopping, but this was a different type of grocery shopping. I am doing a baking haul because I had to get some bake items because I have some videos I need to do for you guys, and I have a couple of orders that I'm going to be filling this weekend, one tomorrow and one big order on Saturday. So as I go through the video and talk about the items, y'all see what I had to go out and purchase for the orders. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into what I've purchased. Okay, so today I went over to Michael's and I purchased this chocolate and fondant mold. It can also be used in the oven, and it was $4.99, and it is by, this is the name of the company, and I'm going to use this to make the little pieces that go on the cake. And this is another mold that I got from Michael's, and as you can see, it's like mermaid theme, because the cake I'm doing is mermaid theme. So I got this from Michael's, and it was $9.99. They had a 40% off coupon, and then they had a 20% off your whole order, so that cut the price. So I also purchased these cake paints. They're really, really beautiful, and I had really good reviews. These are your primary colors and stuff. And then I got these like metallic colors because, you know, I am doing the mermaid theme. And they were $9.99 a piece. And then I got this gold spray that I'm also going to use on the mermaid tails. And then I got these pearl dust, and they were like $3.99 a piece. I have pink, gold, purple, and blue. And then I got some white fondant to make the mermaid tails out of, and all the little shells and sea creatures. And I got some leftover chocolate that I'm going to use, and these are all the dyes and stuff that I'm going to be using with some pearls. So right now Michael has a sale. You buy like fondant or any cake decorating item, big item, and you buy two, you get one free. So I was able to get the fondant and the two paints, buy one get one free, on last night, and then I went back today. And I also got some little gold sparkles. I'm a bedazzle good shit, excuse my language, out of this cake, but I'm just so excited out of this cake. So let's go ahead and look at the bake items that I got, and I'll tell y'all a little bit more about that. Okay, so these are the items I'm actually going to need for the cakes I'm going to be doing this weekend. And I have a huge surprise for y'all. Y'all got to wait and see, though. So we have some heavy cream. We have some half and half. We have some whole milk. We have apples because we're going to make small apple crumbles. We have some Land O'Lakes brown eggs. We got butter. We got strawberries because we're going to do chocolate covered strawberries on a chocolate cake. We have some flour. I like to use the Hillsbury flour, or what is it called, the white lily flour, when I'm baking cakes because they tend to be a little bit softer. Some premium white chocolate morsels, some mint, not mint, semi-sweet chocolate morsels, some chocolate cocoa powder 100%, and some Hershey syrup. And then I have these two marble cakes. Now y'all know, whenever I make a cake and I sell it, I always do it from scratch. However, the little girls that I'm doing the cake for are going to have two smash cakes, and I didn't want to charge an arm and a leg, and children just tear those cakes up and nobody eats it. So what I decided to do to cut the cost for the mom, because the cake is going to be smashed and probably thrown away and the kids are probably going to play all in it, I just decided to get the marble fudge marble from Duncan Hines because it's a really, really good cake mix. And I'm going to make their smash cakes out of that. And it's also Wilton's approved. See? So it won't tear up when I start to decorate it. So yeah, I have a mermaid cake I'm making. I have a surprise cake for y'all. And that's pretty much what my haul is about today. It's not anything special. This is just a baking haul because I know I promised you guys. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. This is what our weekend is going to be looking like. It's going to be looking like this. It's going to be looking like this. It's going to be looking like this. Let me stop playing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I was excited to be able to get a haul up for y'all this week. But yeah, we back. So let me go ahead and get dinner done, get my kitchen clean, get all my groceries and stuff put up, and then I'll see y'all back in a couple of days. Smidges.